Okay, so here we are at the shed. My favorite thing about the shed, I think, is that it's open on Monday. So the other place wasn't open, so let's see what we can find in here. First of all, the name of this booth, y'all, is too good. I know I've showed it once a long time ago, but I thought I'd just share it again. It's so cute. I wanted you to see these adorable Disney cookie jars. Look how mid-century modern these houses look. I just think that's adorable. They're $23. So I guess that's plenty to pay for them. But, so I might leave them here, but I just wanted to share them with you because they're so cute. Let's see if we can find anything. This looks like a big grouping of stuff. I'm not seeing a lot today, but I'm trying. Let's see here. Let's see this pretty dish. Some pretty color there. Yep. $24. So that's retail. Let's see what else. Pretty little green candle holder. $3.49. That might be good. We might get that. You cat lovers, I'm sure, love this little planter with the kitties peeking out. Little Japan planter. It is cute, but it's $16.99. And there's also this crack right here. So we'll have to leave that one here. Let's see what else we see. This is a little paperweight. Ooh, that's very heavy. It's metal. But I'm not sure about that. Let me think about him. What else have we got here? Little kitty. It looks kind of like fits in Floyd, doesn't it? Floral kitten. Yep, see the Floyd at the end there? There's tape. I can't see it, but it fits in Floyd, so we might need to take him with us. Oops. I didn't break it, don't worry. And then look how cute this is. Memories yesterday figurine, but the cute part is look at him. It's like a little pixie. And it's only $5.99. These sell pretty well on eBay, and I think with the little pixie, it might do pretty well. So I think we'll take him as well. There's some cute little things to check out in this booth. Let's see here. This is a cute elephant planter. I'm looking for damage. It does have a tiny chip right there. That's not too terrible though, but he's not marked. And in like an antique mall kind of place like this, it's really time consuming to have them find a price, because of course they won't have any idea. So I'm not going to do that. Let's see. Oh, here's something interesting. This is just kind of a big conglomeration of stuff that I thought looked interesting. But look at this. These are collectible. The little Kittles. $29 for the case. I don't really know what those sell for. Do you guys? But it is absolutely just the case. There's where all the little dolls go. I bet you that's retail on that. So I'm gonna leave that behind. Let's see here. Here is Barbie paper dolls. Barbie Francie, 2 paper dolls, $16. Whitman. It's pretty cute, just, you know, a tad off that price point that we're looking for. Couple of old, looks like old Disney planters. $29 for Donald. He's cute. And let's see. This is a little pixie planter, but he's 14. So we're gonna pass on those two. Good try, everybody. Look at this adorable set of reamers. How cute are they? All different colors. I love this one, the orange and green. Wow, those are just adorable. Okay, look what I found. Home coat, put it in your home. Look at him, isn't he beautiful? Y'all, some of it is so pretty. Now he's $14.75 though. But I love him, I love a panda bear, y'all know that. And I don't think this little dude is home coat, but these kitty cats probably are. Yep, $6.39. And the raccoon talking to the little frog. He is at $14.75. The puppies are sweet. $5.39. Maybe I'll get the puppies. She's home coat. And so is this little squirrel. But he's $12.75. You've got to stay here, squirrel. So this just happened while I was inside. So yeah, that's great. It looks like nighttime outside. All right, so I'm back at home, everybody, and this is just the final look at what I did pick up at the shed. I know sometimes I forget to do that. You don't know after I've picked something up if I bought it or if I didn't. So I got this really cute mid-century modern single candle holder. Awesome. Awesome pickup there. We did get the Homeco puppies. Homeco. Put them in your home. We got the little kitty cat. And I said I thought he was Fitz and Floyd, but he had a sticker. So now that I'm home, I took the sticker off, and indeed, it is, oops, Fitz and Floyd, as you can see right there. So she's adorable. Got this pretty little antique milk glass vanity jar. So it could be a powder jar or something like that. But this has gotten really popular lately. So instead of the hobnail, it's the little antique milk glass with the frillier, more scrolly kind of patterns and everything. It's in really good shape. Really good shape. This can be our item for sale of the day if you guys want. I could sell this for $21. So if you would like this piece, just type in your email milk glass jar or antique milk glass, $21. And if you are the first person to email me at fatbirdfinds@gmail.com, that little piece can be yours. The rest of these may be eBay items. I'm hoping to have a Homeco sale. Wouldn't that be fun? All Homeco items. Look at these little beauties. Oh, let me show you this first, and then I'll show you the candlesticks. So, and then this is a really cute piece. I showed you that in the shed, and so I did go ahead and pick that one up, and that'll for sure be an eBay piece, unless one of you guys want to inquire about it. You can ask about anything that you see in a video. Most of it is available for sale, and it's the best way to buy something. So just shoot me an email anytime. This is the item of the day though. $21 for this piece. This little Dalmatian, he's going to Layman's. That's a Layman's thing. They are copies of Staffordshire style dogs, and those sell well in the Grand Millennial decor, the Layman's decor. So that's gonna go there. And then look at these little beauties. Look at those gorgeous amber Viking candle holders. I adore these. See them in front of my painting? They're so awesome. And I almost missed them. That's where my story comes in, where I ran into somebody that is has an Instagram page. She's I don't know, I didn't ask her permission, so I'm not going to mention what her name is, but she sells mid-century modern on Instagram, and she said that she was kind of changing decor and changing up styles, and she's building a house, so she's not buying as much for resale anymore. And so she pointed these out to me. Wasn't that nice? She's like, man, you better go back there and pick up those Viking candle holders. They're a really good price. So that's what I did, and I love them. Those should be, you know, coming up in an upcoming live sale. So watch for those. Okay, so I think that that's gonna do it for today's video. We did our item. Oh, a tease for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video will just have to be a surprise. Today I don't have a tease for tomorrow's video. It'll just be a surprise. So be sure and tune in. We'll try to do something spectacular. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching these videos. It's working. Keep on with your comments and your likes, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And then stay tuned to see what Fatbird finds next. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.